Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Proton mail account. So open your preferred browser, type in Proton mail area if you want to sign up for it. We'll click on sign in. Next, you can see new to Proton, click on accounts, click on create account. Then you put in a username which you want to use TKC before. So you can now use your current email if you want, or you can get any inputted email. So I want to use the current email. Let's say I want to use this one. Then I put in the password I want to use, but contain at least 8 letters. Let's say my password is this. Okay, and use a lock. Alright. Let's change your password. Let's use this one instead. So change the password. And next thing we're going to do the password again. After getting the password, we're going to let's see, mistake. Now next thing you're going to click on create accounts. Yeah, and this is the password that is actually match. This one is saying something totally different. Let's change that. Let's choose that to now create account. Still wrong. Oh, what happened? Oh, I forgot to T. And then information. Done. Then create account. They are not to verify. So you get a verification code from your address you choose. Then put in the 6 digits with phone code without space and click on verify. Let's go see if we have something like that. Let's check our Gmail quickly. Let's repeat check our Gmail. Then use a verification code. Let's see. Let's see our verification code so we can type in. Four 440-568. Like the coordinates 440-568. So let's go back. 440-568. 440-568. And let's see the stocks. Ooh, I was kicked out. What happened? Ooh, I know what happened. I have to start again from the beginning. Like, I should have used a unit tab. Sorry about that. Let's do this again. So you can see a fruits only. Password. Do you remember the password? Okay. Now we didn't use a username. We used email mistake. Let's see, I think we use this email. The password should be here. With the password, take it to input. Okay, let's try that. Let's hope we remember the password we used. Alright, create account. I didn't remember the password. Let's try that again. This is the password. Alright, now we're looking code again, so I'm going to open a new tab. I'm gonna make mistakes of the past. Now go to favorites. That's where I stored my Gmail stuff. Either clicking again from my mouse and no personal mouse, so sorry about that. Now 965-798. Doesn't that sound nice? 965-798. So let's impute it. 965-798. Now we click on verify. And that's it. We have created our Proton mail account. Now this is, we have the free version, the Mail Plus, coupon number for the free version. I get up to 1 GB mail storage. I get up to 5 GB drive storage. I get 1 email address. I get 3 folders and labels. 150 messages per day. Or let's say unlimited support. if you want to go for the free version. This is called the low-cost account, designed to empower everyone's privacy by default. But I know credit card is required. But if I'm choosing the May Plus, I have to choose USD, euros, or CHF. It's okay. Today I will secure my named advanced features for in-day communication, just £3.99. Okay, I get 15 gigabytes instead of 1 here. I can 10 email addresses and aliases. This is the first one. I get unlimited folders, labels, and filters. I get to use my own email domain, Proton mail desktop app, and dark web monitoring within 12 months subscription. Other subscription options are available at checkout. So let me go for what I can afford. This is free. Alright, creating the account. All this is done. We're good to go. So now we're going to the display name. Like this one, let's just click on continue. If you don't like it, you can edit it. Then you can now start exploring the Proton ingress. We have Proton Mail, Proton Calendar, Proton Drive, Proton VPN, Proton Pass, Proton Wallet. Proton Mail. Loading Proton account. The full address is available. Is this the one I want? If I want this, I can just choose clean it. I can create my own. I'm okay with this. R224 has Proton, that's me. It's okay. So you don't want that, you can actually just use another. So that's it. Now we've done it. Yeah, you can end up with an account or sign up on account, depends on the. So you still see up here. That's it. That is how to create a Proton Mail account. Hope you found it really helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget to hit the same bell so you can get all these videos as they come out fresh off print. Bye for now.